right, where are we today, Mark?
We're in Watson Hill. It's in Summerville. It's right off Route 61.
Is it really in Summerville, though?
Yeah, it's kind of in between everything, to be honest.
Yeah, it's technically in Summerville, but kind of on the outsides of Summerville, but still great location because it's only, let me give you a quiz here. How long would it take to drive from here to Hutchinson Square, downtown Summerville?
15 minutes.
How long would it take you to get to a grocery store?
9 minutes.
I feel like I could do it in 8.
You might be able to.
I mean, I'm
if
kind
you
of
can
an
get
old
through the
man
two
drive-
lots.
Yeah.
The two lots.
Close it up. All right, how about all the beautiful plantations over in this side of the world?
So Middleton Place is only 2.9 miles from here.
Yeah.
And then, you know, you have Drayton Hall and you have the other one I can't think about right now.
The other one, it's gorgeous.
They're all 3 in the row.
Magnolia.
Yeah, so they're all within 15 minutes tops.
Cool tours over at Magnolia Plantation. They got this little,
It's like a garden.
trammy kind of a thing that goes out.
You love anything that drives.
It's either I drive it or I'm milking a cow here. I'm not sure what I'm doing, but it's a beautiful area. So this is the Ashton Woods neighborhood and Starlight Homes in the same neighborhood. It's called Watson Hill. They have a gorgeous pool.
Yep.
Bunch of different models. We're in front of the Monroe, and you can build this one with 3 to 5 bedrooms. It ranges from about 2,500 to 3,000 square feet.
If you don't know us, my name is Mark. This is Jeff. We're with the Charleston Area Living Group, and we help people just like you buy, sell, relocate, and build in the Summerville and Charleston area.
Let's go inside, check out this model, and then show you around the neighborhood. We'll be back with you soon. Neighborhood, the new home construction here. Currently, it's what are we, March here of 2023?
March, yeah.
Yeah, starting at $300,000. So actually, some of the lowest new construction in all of Charleston.
Yeah. The other one was, we forgot to tell you how to reach us, just in case you don't watch any more of this video. I don't know why.
Why wouldn't you?
You wouldn't watch the rest of it.
There's
But
going to be talk of Speedos coming up here
Yeah.
pretty soon.
that's scary, isn't it?
That right there, we're going to have engagement in this video longer than
It's gonna go
normal.
up from
yeah,
there.
I think so. We watched the Matrix.
Matrix, yeah.
Matrix?
Yeah.
Which one was the movie?
The Matrix is the movie.
But the YouTube Matrix.
Oh,
or what-
Metrics.
Metrics.
Yeah.
That movie confused me. It's like a world that wasn't a world, but
Yeah.
you could do all kind of moves. Like I think I pulled a muscle.
Oh my
I'm
gosh.
trying to do a Matrix move.
Well, anyways, if you want to
Yeah.
reach us, there's a link in the description. You can set up a Zoom call and we can show you the city through our eyes. And that way you can kind of zoom around with us on Google Maps.
Zoom around like the Jetsons.
Right?
Yeah. And our office is right next in here in Summerville. So if you want to get together in person, but it's important. Check in with us before you go see any new home neighborhoods. We need to register you and so on. So let's go see, what are we going to look at now? The pool?
Let's go check out the pool area.
Pool's awesome.
So Jeff, pretty cool neighborhood.
Love this neighborhood. I love how it's like close to everything around Summerville, but a little bit farther out in the country. And this pool is awesome. Really gorgeous pool. I can totally see myself sitting in the Speedo, chilling poolside,
Jeff,
hanging out.
We've talked about this before. No Speedos are allowed, okay? Not with me and you anyway.
Okay, that's like is it just like an anti-us thing, or are
It's
Speedos truly not allowed?
In the Charleston Area Living Handbook. No Speedos.
No Speedos for Mark and Jeff.
Yes.
All right, don't picture us in a Speedo. We're just trying to do you a favor here.
And remember, we're here in Watson Hill, so if you want to know more about this neighborhood, please let us know. Remember, if you're moving in 9 days or 90 days or 2 years, we plan on being in the business for a little bit longer. So reach out to us. You can give us a call, give us a text. You can email us, or the best way to do it, we would love to show you around the neighborhood through our eyes on Zoom. kind of show you the area through Google Maps, that would be the best way. You can schedule a Zoom call. And what, Jeff?
Can we wear the Speedos when we do
No
the Zoom call?
Speedos! No!
Okay. Sorry,
Schedule a Zoom call by clicking the link in the description or on our home channel on the homepage up at the top right. We hope that you enjoyed this video, and
That was very polite of me, though. I mean, I raised my
You did
hand.
raise
I
your
didn't
hand.
just interrupt you. And
yeah, but
Yeah.
it was very distracting.
you can check out our website, charlestonarealiving.com. See ya!